Hi everyone, and welcome back to Liz Sews, in the next video in my Disney Bounding in the Bedroom series, where I create lingerie inspired by the Disney characters of my youth. So in today's video, I'll be going over the sketch and plans of my Cinderella inspired lingerie look. I knew coming into August that I was going to be kind of exhausted after the Great Bra Sewing Bee, so I wanted to pare back my ideas just a little bit and make something that was a little bit more wearable, not nearly as time intensive as the last two pieces that I've made. But I'm really excited about the plans I have for Cinderella, and I hope you are too. So here is the finalized sketch for Cinderella. It's a lot more pared back than the other ones, but I do have some fancy elements that I'm going to throw in as well. But it's definitely something that I could see getting some use out of these pieces beyond just the Disney Bounding in the Bedroom series. So with the sketch on the side, let's take a look at the different fabrics I have chosen for this. So for the bra itself, I'm going to use this light blue bra tulle that I purchased from the Tailor Made shop. I think it's the sort of perfect Cinderella blue. I like it's really light and airy. So for this guy, I'm going to pull up my diagonal seam Black Beauty bra pattern, and I'll link a video up here where I show you how I convert the Black Beauty from horizontal to diagonal seam. And then on the upper cut portion of this bra, I want to do the ruched cup. So I've done a bra like this before very similarly. I can pop up a picture over here using ivory and black tulle. I kind of just want to recreate that bra. I really, really like it, but I'm going to do it in this lovely blue tulle, and I think it's going to look really nice and pretty. So originally I was thinking that I wanted to do sort of like a dominatrix style Cinderella bra, because I liked that idea of Cinderella being so nice and prim and proper, and then like that hard harness on top. But I've pared it back a lot, and so I've decided to just do that simple black choker that Cinderella wears in her ball gown, and I'm going to make it out of black bra strap elastic. But then I wanted to keep some of those strappy elements with some white straps that are going to be added along the neckline just to amp it up a little bit, and then the rest of the bra itself will be sheer. So I bet you're noticing this little detail down here, which I'm really, really excited about. So I picked up this rhinestone chain off of AliExpress. I think it's really, really gorgeous, and it has that Aurora Borealis sort of shimmer on there, so it does look iridescent. It's picking up some blues and some yellows and things like that. And so my idea is to make this a more wearable bra is I'm going to add some hooks onto the end of this chain and then just do some little thread loops along the bottom band of the bra itself, so that it's something that I can hook on and take off if I need to wash the bra or anything like that, to make it just a little bit more wearable. But I think it really does, I really think it's going to make it special though to have that little extra accent of these shiny rhinestones swag down below the bottom band of the bra. So that's my one wow factor in this piece. For the bottoms, I want to go back to the Eva pattern by Studio Costura shop that I used for Ariel back in June. But I do want to do a couple more pattern alterations to it. I really like those bottoms. They fit really well, but I want to see if I can't alter this to be a little bit higher in the leg, just because I like that more 90s style high cut leg look on myself. So I'm going to try to alter the pattern a little bit to bring that leg line up while keeping all the rest of the stuff the same. So I have two different options for fabrics to go on the bottoms. The first option I have is some micro lycra from Bra Builders that's dyed in Sky. I thought it was a fairly good match to the bra tulle. Obviously, this is really, really easy to work with. It has a really soft, buttery feel. But then after I got this one, I found some other fabric, which I might like a little bit more. This is some stretch satin that I purchased in an icy blue, and this one came from Beware out of Sweden. I think it's really, really pretty, and it definitely feels a lot more luxe and fancy because it's satin. However, it's not nearly as blue. So I think I'm gonna finish the bra first and then figure out which one I think will look best with it. Because obviously the bra is only gonna be like 2 layers, so it doesn't look super blue against the skin. It's gonna look more sheer like that. So I don't know which one of these fabrics is gonna work best for the bottom. I just kind of have to play it by ear. So those are the two potential main blue fabrics for the underwear. And then for the white detail that's going along the leg, I found some leftover white dotted mesh. This is leftover from a kit that I used from Emerald Erin. I've already made a bra, I've already made underwear out of it, so I still have a lot left over. And I think it would be perfect for that sort of white detail along the bottoms, just because it's gonna have a nice look to it. It's a good contrast to the blue, and it like reminds me of Cinderella's dress. I also have some additional chiffon in this nice blue color, and I don't really know where I'm going to use it or if I'm going to use it at all. I had originally purchased this one to go with jasmine, but it just was not the right type of blue, and I think it works much better in this Cinderella color story. But right now, I can't think of a good way to incorporate this. So if you have any ideas of how I might be able to incorporate this baby blue chiffon, let me know. Obviously, could do some like off the shoulder swags or something like that. But right now, I really liked how succinct this design was. And so I don't know that I really want to sort of push it and try to add more things to it. So all in all, I'm really excited with my Cinderella plans. I think it's something, I like the combination of the fact that I could wear the bra, I could wear the underwear in my day-to-day life. It doesn't have to be just regulated to the Disney Bounding in this bedroom series, but the rhinestones will amp it up just a little bit more and give it that extra special touch just because it is the Disney series. So I hope you are excited about these plans as I am. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that like button and the notification bell, and I will see everyone next time. Take care.